My brother go win, no. My brother go win.
What can be this? Now poster my brother Otangele where they contest for councillorship of this village. Now him be this guy. I swear Otangele will win.
Is it Otangele?
Otangele na. Who know Otangele?
Mpa uche go. Come on, wait for this thing, right? So you get mind. Enter my kappa. Go the poster anyhow.
Be like say they crazy, abi. Be like say they mad, abi. Which one be your which side they write your name for this area now? Now people like you they give 400 naira and more just to vote for the wrong person. Now no go know the person where they write. May not vote for that person. Now Tangele be the people's choice. See am. Vote for accountability. Vote for the people's choice. Vote for trustworthy. Vote for transparency. Otangele now the number one where we know.
Okay, be like say the man at the bar.
See this. Take your time.
Yeah, why need to take now? Mpa. Weapon here.
Like say they mad.
See, Oga, shifting spanner. Make I want here. What share?
Be like say they mad, abi. Why you say this thing? Huh? Be like say don't dey craze. Why?
Okay.
Don't be mad, abi.
Baby, Autumn, listen, let me tell you, okay? This thing I'm begging you to do for me is something that you know that is necessary. What you're doing now is against the law. Even the Bible itself is against it. You know? The Bible said that we should go into the world and go and multiply. So why are you trying to reject the multiplication that I'm trying to multiply in my family? I'm not getting younger, okay? Before I married you, you know I married you already and I paid your bride price. You told me, wait, after marriage, you can give it to me. I married you already, you don't want to give it to me.
Married who?
Eh?
Eh?
I paid for your bride price.
That one is for you and my village people, okay?
Udmo yoyo. What are you trying to tell me? Yeah, you are trying to tell me that Obobo listening now. Is for you and your village people.
Yes.
Being now with the lady is for me and your village people.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, what? I couldn't move where? Opoloko, I couldn't move where? Now you are trying to tell me that all the money I spend is for me and the village people.
Exactly.
Let me tell you. This thing you're trying to do, I don't like it. I don't like it. I married you already.
I am not your wife until you marry me in the church.
Awesome.
Yes.
In church where?
Church.
And then let me tell you 1 minute. Listen to me. If you say I will marry you in the church, no problem. But I must let you to understand that the one we know, the one we recognize here is a traditional wedding. Traditional wedding, my father did it, your father did it, everybody did it. This is what wedding you're bringing here. I don't like it, but I will do. No problem.
Do it and do it fast.
Okay, listen. I understand. I love you so much. And I don't want to lose you. I don't want you to be angry with me all the time. Okay? Just to give me just one boy panyo. I will punch for you 2.5 million naira.
I am not interested. I am not interested.
Look, let me tell you, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I came back here in this house. You didn't even pay attention to me. You went downstairs, you playing music. I tell you, leave the music, you come up, let's talk. You leave the music, you making noise downstairs. You don't want to go off the music. But no problem. All over my house now is making noise everywhere. Music. Now the music is playing. Let's do this so people will not hear our voice. We don't want to do this, right? Okay, don't worry. I will make it 5 million naira.
I don't want. I don't need your money. Go for the church wedding.
If I got panchala, this is going to lot. It's going to lot if you don't bring it. Come carburetor cleaner. Carburetor cleaner. You are my wife. I bought to you. I married to you. I paid the money they are supposed to pay. I did every traditional right to do. And you're trying to make me to faint in this house. I'm going to kill.
Hey, what is going on here?
Olatangele. Yes, no.
What did you just call me?
Honorable. Good afternoon.
And what were you doing by my car?
Honorable, we saw your boys. They said that you went to greet person, so we decided to take some pictures before you can come so that we can take the pictures together.
You were taking pictures on my car? A federal car? A councillor car? A car that was sent from Abuja? A car that was sent to me by the president? You leaned on the car and you were taking selfie. Maybe you will post on social media to tell people that yes, you snapped with the councillor's car. You have landed yourself into a very big trouble. A trouble that will consume your entire generation. A trouble that will consume your parents. It will consume you, and it will consume everything that has to do with you. Boys! Boys! Get me that rope. Both of you will sleep in police cell today.
Please now.
We are
sorry.
Pass!
Kneel down. Kneel down.
Kneel down!
Kneel down.
Honorable, please now.
Tie them
We
up.
are sorry.
Be fast about it. Stand up. Both of them should stand so that you tie them up.
We are sorry now.
Hey, you move. Put your hands.
Nonsense. The next time if you see my car, you will not dream of going.
Move. Bring them here.
Stupid thing. Put them inside the boot. You, come here. Fast. You come. Get me that knife. Lay down. I said lay down.
Honorable.
If you come down, if you mention my name, I will go you. Come on, lay down there.
Honorable.
So, in fact, I will smash you. I will so deal with you that you will never see again in your entire life. So you were there and you were watching them. They leaned on my car and they were taking pictures. You even released my location. You even told them where I was. So if it was the enemies, you would tell them where I went to.
The only thing on the ordinary pictures, ordinary picture. Honorable, we feel since you're the man of the people, they can snap with your car anytime, any day. Please.
Man of the people.
Yes.
So I am man of the people. And who are the people? Those smelling things.
No.
Those little rats.
No.
And you call these riffraffs people. You call them people. I am going to kill you. In fact, you are fired. From today, you are. What am I even saying? I am going to kill you because I am honorable. I have the license to kill. I have the license of 007. I have license to kill, to destroy, to demolish, to destroy. In fact, I have the license to conquer life.
Hey,
oh yes. Now lie down. I'm going to crush both of you now. Lie down.
Honorable, we feel since you are... Sorry. Honorable, don't this.
Come on. Stand up. Lie straight like this. Come on. This way. I said this way. Lie straight like this.
Sorry. We feel since you are the honorable of this.
Start it and climb them.
Honorable, don't is not an offense.
Shut up your mouth. Fast about it.
Please, sir. Honorable, please. Honorable, please.
Our counselor worola no cancer. Our counselor worola no killer. Our counselor don't turn to catastrophe.
Nkechi! Bring my scarf for me. I left it on the chair there. Adaku, Odikwa mma. What is it?
It's honorable. He locked up my daughter in the cell.
And my sister.
Why?
Just because they leaned on his car to take pictures. Just pictures.
Ordinary pictures, so it's not as if they spoiled his car. Yes. Ordinary pictures.
What is wrong with Otangele? How can he lock people up just because they leaned on his car? Sorry, Please, just calm down. Go back home. When he returns, I'll tell him to go and release them.
Okay, ma.
Sorry, please.
Thank you.
Don't be offended.
Thank you.
Otangele, Nsikam Jogi. Did they inject your head before they swore you into office? How about I can do this? Onwere na-enye oburu gị nsogbu kemgbe ịbara n'ọfịs.
Mama, please, I beg you in the name of God, do not disrespect me. Be cool. If you want to address me as an honorable member. I am an honorable, for crying out loud. You don't just call me by my name, Otangele. What's that? What if Abuja gets to hear that my mother is calling me by my name? What would they say?
Hello. Anyway, please answer me. Those girls you locked up at the police station, what did they do to you?
They did everything. Mother, those girls did everything. In fact, the crime they committed is punishable by law. They disrespected an honorable car. A car from Abuja. Car given to me by the federal government itself. Those girls lean on my car to take a picture. Knowing fully whether the plate number... Yes! Knowing fully whether the plate number is carrying Abuja. Honorable member Abuja. Not Orata. Koja Wangele. Kwa wunkume mwa musa. Awudu kwa ekwe koja wumo kuma wumudure ekwe. Ma wunerim. Abuja. Gwarimpa wu headquarter. Kamoto nushiribia. They went and leaned on my car. What if the federal government sees that get to see the picture on social media? What would they tell me? An honorable that doesn't represent very well? Or what?
Otangele, I want you to go and release those girls. Today.
Says who?
Me.
Your
mother.
You first lady or last lady. I can never do that. Come on, get released. They will stay there. They will rot inside that jail.
Okay, let me now tell you. This house will not enter you and I if you do not release those girls from that police cell. Yes, I will make this house very unbearable for you.
Mama,
I
will just make one phone call. You are not dealing with an ordinary person. You are dealing with a counselor. Government property. A government recognized personality. Only one phone call. Battalion hotel from our chamber. EFCC Highland Yanga. Don't try me. Don't try my post in the office.
Let them come and carry your mother. But what me, Maria, is telling you is that it will not enter you and I if you do not go and release those girls from the police cell. Are you hearing?
Hello, speaker. Yes, Speaker, this is Honorable speaking. Oh, really? Oh my God. I know. Everything is in place. The allocation. My brother, you know how it's done now. All 70-30. I take 70, then the community take 30.
Chai.
And the Igbo carry on your time. Oh, God, one naka, but we had the boom. This is the example they laid for us, and we are following after them. The Gota project. Woo! Gota Agaola Rurura. Every community. In fact, I am planning to make sure Gota enters every compound. From compound to compound. Oh, yes. Even my father's house.
Which house?
Which
house?
Gota Gaga.
Which house? Kigeti. Ulonka. Eh?
Sorry, my speaker. It's one of the dogs I have at home.
Mwao Maria. Liar. Go and put your gutter where you will put it. Not
please
here.
don't mind the background voice.
Don't listen to him.
A cook, a old English, a cook, a local dog. Did you put honorable? Mama, honorable cat. I thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will